Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by narrowing requirements. Pick the OS, minimal CPU, RAM and disk sizes, and the preferred server location because latency matters. Once done, set a hard monthly budget, $5 to $20 is common for cheap tiers, and decide acceptable uptime percentage. Next, prepare payment options and a verified email. Many providers require basic ID or two-factor setup. This gets you from vague intent to actionable shopping criteria, so you can compare offers accurately and quickly. Now you search providers. Include official VPS hosts, smaller budget providers, and marketplace deals, because promos often hide lower prices. As you compare, focus on real specs and bandwidth caps, plus backup and snapshot policies. These affect cost and reliability. Make sure to read small print on acceptable use and refund windows, since cheap offerings sometimes limit support. Once you identify 2 or 3 contenders, shortlist by price per source and provider reputation, and prepare to test with a short-term purchase or trial. Purchase the lowest term plan or a trial so you can validate performance and support. This avoids long commitments. Once provisioned, secure the instance immediately. Set strong, unique passwords, change the default RDP port, enable two-factor authentication if offered, and restrict IP access. Take an initial snapshot before installing anything. Finally, monitor CPU, disk, and latency for the first 48 to 72 hours. If issues appear, use the refund window or switch to your backup provider. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.